Attention job seekers, are you ready to level up your LinkedIn game? Now, LinkedIn is constantly adding new features to help you showcase your professional brand and find your dream job. In this video, I'm walking you through 7 of the newest LinkedIn features that will be a game changer for your job search this year. From effective strategies for posting in the newsfeed to using AI-powered interview feedback. And hey, if you're ready to take your job search to the next level, don't forget to grab the Career Advancement Toolkit. It's a comprehensive collection of video lessons, polished templates, expert instructions, and step-by-step guides to help you stand out from the crowd and get hired fast. Hey, I'm Heather, a career strategy expert, and over the years, I've helped thousands of job seekers land job interviews and job offers at top companies like Google, Amazon, Disney, Meta, and Viacom CBS. If you want to experience the same success as them, you're not going to want to miss a thing on this channel. So before we get started, tap the like button below and subscribe if you haven't already done so. Learning how to properly use LinkedIn and the features I'm about to share with you will help you stand out and land your next opportunity. So grab a pen and a paper and get ready to take some notes. These features are too good to miss.
First one is your name pronunciation. So if you have a difficult to pronounce name, I highly recommend you go over to LinkedIn. And by the way, this is only available on mobile, okay? Go over to LinkedIn. On your LinkedIn app, if you don't have it installed, make sure you get it installed, and you're going to click on the little edit icon. I have it circled there. You're going to then go down to where it says view or edit profile photo. That's kind of where you're putting the name request right now, or name pronunciation. And then you're going to go where it says add name pronunciation, okay? So you're going to click on the home screen of your LinkedIn page where it's showing your page on your mobile device. You're going to select view or edit profile photo, and then you're going to say add name pronunciation. Now here is a little tip for anyone in here that's like a business owner or attracting clients for your own business. This is a great way for you to add like some sort of tagline where you're not necessarily pronouncing your name, but you're saying something. Like you can add a voice note of any kind. And when someone goes to your profile, they'll be able to click on that and pronounce your name. I use it all the time because I meet with people all over the world and I'm like, oh no, I hope they have name pronunciation on their LinkedIn profile, right? Okay, the next one is your profile video. So here's another feature that you can add to LinkedIn. And again, this is going to be for any job seekers. Tread this one lightly. If you're going to do a video, make sure you've rehearsed it, you have a script, you've presented, you've gotten feedback, yada, 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 okay? But it's just another way to present yourself. It's in the exact same location as your name pronunciation. You're gonna click on the edit icon on your profile. Again, you guys, you have to go to the LinkedIn app on your phone, okay? So you have to be clicking on the app and using the app on your phone in order for all of this to work. And I'm gonna just click on the me, and I'm gonna go to view my profile, and can you guys see that? That's where you're editing all this stuff that I'm talking about, okay? So then to do the video, you're going to say view or edit profile video, and then you're going to go in and you're going to record a video, or you can actually just add one, okay? Now this is a video I recorded, and by the way, I will tell you guys, I added this video probably over a year ago, and I still haven't changed it. And it's to go watch a resume writing masterclass. So I even need to take my own tips and update my video, right? But that's how you do your name pronunciation and your video. Now the next feature that I think is super, super, super awesome is they allow you to edit a message after sending it. Okay, so again, this works on regular desktop. You send the message, you go back to your message, you click on the 3 dots, and it's going to give you the option to edit that message, okay? Next feature is merge your account. So this is a question I get a lot. I meet with a lot of people that are like, Heather, I have 2 accounts. One account is this position, another account's that position, yada, yada, yada. Well, if you go to the me icon on your desktop of LinkedIn and you go to settings and privacy, you'll actually pop up to a page that looks like this. You'll just click on make sure account preferences is selected, and then scroll all the way down where it says merge accounts. And then you'll be able to merge your accounts, okay? This is a question I get a lot, so I wanted to make sure you guys know that this is a new feature and super, super, super valuable. Next one is highlight your featured posts. So here's the thing. If you guys really want to stand out, you really want to get attention, you really want to get hired by top companies, you really want top recruiters and hiring managers to notice you, you need to start using the newsfeed in LinkedIn, okay? Now, I have tons of trainings on how to use the newsfeed. And I know it's a little scary at first, but you need to start using it and you need to start making really amazing posts that engage conversation. Once you make your post, I want you to go over to your LinkedIn page, or you could even be on the post and you're going to click on the triple dots again, and you're going to say featured on top of profile. So that's going to now feature it. If someone goes to your profile, which is the picture on the right, it's now going to feature any post that you made that you pop in there, okay? So here's a post that I made about the workshop that we're holding today, and then I featured it on my profile. So if I go to my profile, you can see these are all my featured posts. So I would highly, highly, highly recommend you start engaging and using the newsfeed. Now here is another amazing tool that I think is awesome that LinkedIn introduced, is they have this thing called #question for group. So what they've done is, if you're in a group on LinkedIn, which if you are not in groups, you need to join relevant groups in your industry, you can actually put at the beginning of your post, just type #question for group, and then you can say, hey y'all, I've got a question. This is what my question is, and you type your question. What it's going to do is it's going to give a little notification at the top of your post that says question for group. So then anyone that's looking through this could actually say, oh, this person has a question, I'm going to answer it, right? Rather than having to read your entire post. Last feature that I want to share with you guys, AI-powered interview feedback. This has given me lots of ideas for what we offer to people in terms of artificial intelligence. We've got lots of amazing things coming your way in the next year. But LinkedIn allows you to go to the jobs feature and then select the interview prep section. So again, if we jump back to jobs, interview prep, and then it allows you to practice and get feedback on popular interview questions. Now, here's the other thing when it comes to that. You can actually record a video or you can write a response. Now, LinkedIn allows you to just practice this privately. You can share it with a connection to get feedback from them, or you can get instant powered AI feedback.
I hope you enjoyed learning about those LinkedIn features as much as I did. Now, don't forget to grab your copy of the Career Advancement Toolkit, a comprehensive collection of video lessons, polished templates, expert instructions, and step-by-step guides to help you stand out from the crowd and get hired. I'll place a special link for you down below. And hey, does your resume need an enhancement so that you can land more interviews and better job offers? Well, click or tap the video right here to learn my award-winning strategy for writing an incredible resume. And if you like this video, be sure to tap the like button down below, subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.